What's up, solar OGs? It's your boy, Kevin from Bella Electric. And today, I want to dive into a very controversial topic. To permit or not to permit? That is the question. This one's for the homeowners and business pros because, guys, at the end of the day, the decision is yours and you are ultimately responsible for it. There's a common misconception that contractors are automatically responsible for obtaining permits. That's not true. A homeowner or business owner can also pull a permit. Thing is a contractor is the only one that can pull a permit on someone else's behalf. So, when should you pull a permit? Obviously, you should check with your local municipality and AHJ, or authority having jurisdiction, because the rules vary greatly. Bella Electric is licensed in Arizona, Texas, and California. And trust me, it is different everywhere you go. In some counties in Texas and Arizona, you can build a freaking roller coaster without a permit. It is incredible. Let's take installing an EV charger as an example. In Southern California, most, if not all municipalities, will say you need a permit. You really want to spend an extra $400 on a plan set, have an inspector come out to your house for what's essentially a dryer outlet. The average cost of an EV install within 5 feet of your service panel or the breaker panel is around $700. Are you really going to spend another $400 to get a freaking permit? Now, there are two sides to this story. On one hand, you want to be sure your contractor is doing things by the book and your house is safe. But on the other hand, if it's a small project and you're working with experienced professionals, does Big Brother really need to oversee every little thing in your house? Just something to think about. And by the way, guys, I always pull permits. Let's get it!